Hiya folks, it's Jeff Fleming here, and today we're talking about an old school German Army knife. So, if you want to know more, then stick around. This is the MIL-TEC, and they actually had the contract, is that right, Sarah? For the German Swiss Army knife. And there you go there. We'll open up the box. We got plastic case, and the knife itself. German emblem on there. If I do the right side up, it would be better. There we go. Now, this is from a company called MIL-TEC, and they actually had the contract to provide these to the German Army. A couple of different companies did this. I believe Bundeswehr, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, also did a contract with them for the same model, and of course, Victorinox did the same model as well. So they've moved on to a different knife now, which is a Victorinox knife, and it's more of a tracker kind of thing, and that's what the German Army is using these days. So this is old school, baby. Okay. So even though these aren't in production anymore, at least to the best of my knowledge, the MIL-TEC models are still reasonably easy to get on eBay. I had a gentleman from the Ukraine send me this one, and big ups to him for getting it to me so expediently, because I know that he's busy dealing with other issues that are happening in that region right at the moment. So anyway, let's have a look at what we've got here. We've got the knife blade, and it doesn't come out of the box shaving sharp, such as your Victorinox ones would. It's reasonably sharp, but I decided to try to hone it up a little bit on the stone last night. I spent about 3 minutes, and it soon became apparent that I was going to have to put a bit of work in order to get it shaving sharp. Now, I put that down to the type of steel that MIL-TEC has used. And I don't know what type of steel it is. There was absolutely no spec sheet that came with this knife. But it's definitely not the one that Victorinox uses. And as far as Bundeswehr goes, I don't know, because I don't have one of those. But I'm picking it's probably like a D2, but not. Perhaps an Oz8. I just don't know. But yeah, you're gonna have to work a little bit to put a shaving sharp edge on it. But it's good sturdy blade, and it does come out of the box reasonably sharp. Okay. As well on here, we have got the corkscrew. And this is a fluted corkscrew. It may be hard to tell that due to the fact that they have a black coating on there. And if you can't see that, trust me, it is fluted. As well, they have an awl, a very wicked looking awl, actually. Bit of an edge on it. We'll get to the final tool in a moment. I just want to talk about the handle material. I believe it's a Delron of some description. I'm not 100% sure. And as you can see, we've got a lanyard hole. So the final tool on this knife is the multi-tool. And here we go. Here, we'll start here. As you can see, there is a nail file, which is also a match striker. Up here, we've got the can opener slash bottle opener. We have a way to tighten and loosen screws. Two different size flatheads, as you can see, and this pointy bit here in the center means you can actually use it on Phillips head style screws as well. So here we have a blade protector, which is actually a finger protector more than anything else, and that's made of metal. And here we've got an incredibly aggressive wood saw. And so you can understand why they've put a blade protector on there. Because if you're just doing your nails, tra-la-la, or doing some screws, it would be very easy for you to do yourself an injury, because this is a very aggressive wood saw. So there's that. And like all things military, regardless of what military you belong to, they like to keep it nice and simple. And so there you go. That is the MIL-TEC German Army Knife, the old model. And I don't know exactly when they stopped producing these and moved over to the Victorinox. Now, as I said, they're still fairly easy to get. You can get them on eBay. This one cost me about 16 US dollars. And you can still also get the Victorinox ones. I saw one on eBay for about 265 US dollars. So, yeah, they're getting kind of hard to find now. And so, between $265 and $16, well, I had to get this one. But that's just the way that goes. It's a fine knife, and I am going to finish sharpening this up properly, and we'll give you a look at maybe some paper cutting or something like that on another video a little bit down the line. So there you go. This is the MIL-TEC German Army Knife, German Army issued knife, old school version. Alright folks, I'm pretty sure that's going to do it for this one. So, until next time, this is Jeff Slavin saying take care and stay sharp. We'll talk to you again soon. Bye now.